All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, again, sort of sitting with my new theme of small, independent, USA-made guys in their garage or gals. Theme of bait and tackle. Well, one of my best supporters on our channel is Fishing the Southeast. Now, Fishing the Southeast is a young man, and Brendan is he is a entrepreneur and a passionate fisherman, and you can't get two better things to marry up than those two things. And so Brendan and I were doing a sort of a bait swap. Now I don't make bait, so he's just going to get like big name stuff. So sorry, Brendan. But what he did do, he sent me, I just got it yesterday, and thank you very much for doing this. So first of all, I want you guys to sort of hit like below, but also I want you to hit the link below and go to Fishing the Southeast. Let's get him up. Let's get his subscribership up. He's worth it. So now let's see what he sent me, which is pretty neat. Remember, he makes these all himself. So first, let's go for the big daddies. I mean, I'm going to have to buy some serious hooks for this. They're soft plastics, swim baits, or sort of a fluke style. So this is big. It's heavy. Well, you know what? Let me see. I don't know, Brian. I did not. But I do have a little scale. And I want to see. So this is 1.16 ounces. So this is a beast. This definitely goes on my extra heavy. After I put a hook in this thing, this thing doesn't need anything. Over an ounce. This is big, and it is. I don't think I have a measuring tape. I got a scale, but I don't have a measuring tape. My guess is this is good 6-inch. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think 6 inches. So, but look at this. Really neat. I love the dual coloring on it. I love the eye, the 3D eye in it. He did put, he gutted it for me. It's got no guts. But that's for the hook, in order for better hook sets. So the hook will come in here and then come out and hide under this soft plastic. So, and then the bass come and eat it. So this is a green and sort of green and white. Very cool. And a nice big paddle tail on it. And if that wasn't enough, he basically took the same bait and looks like he hand painted it. And so he added these stripes on it. So it's the same bait, green and white, and then he hand painted this sort of a perch looking striping on it. So same bait, just hand painted. So awesome. You're gonna make me use my extra heavy, aren't you? I almost put it away for the season because the lily pads are all dried up and top vegetation is disappearing. So all right, so that's these dual color, one hand painted, one not. Okay. So now he sent me a bunch of 5-inch packages. These right here. Sent me 4 of these. So these. See how much they weigh. Okay. 0.35 ounces. So basically a third of an ounce. So not bad. This can easily go on my mediums. And I really kind of, just FYI, that's a whale. Just so you know, this is going to catch a whale of a good time. But I I never really noticed it before. But I think, because, I mean, all mammals, their tails in the water are horizontal. All fish are vertical. It's just the way it is. It's the way God did it. So there's a whale or a dolphin. Looks like a whale. So, but I love the green. It is sort of a light green with a dark blue speck in it. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. So I'm going to toss this whale. It's a baby whale. Is that the way it is with all of them? I don't think I have any more swim baits next to me. Yeah, I don't know. All my tackle's out in my truck. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at all my swim baits to see if they're all mammals and not fish. So anyway, that's sort of green blue. He also sent me this real pretty green with black flecks. Can't really tell because I'm using a green screen. So obviously this goes ahead. I like it though. If you could see it. What if I do that? Oh yeah. No, that doesn't work either. Anyway, it's really pretty green. Evidently it's see-through. Well camouflaged. So, look at this. To find out more about bass magnet baits and learn tips and tricks on how to catch more bass, go to the youtube.com and search Fishing the Southeast, which I'll have a link below. And contact me for custom orders, or if you have any questions, at bassmagnetbaits@yahoo.com. So, go ahead and buy a couple bags. So, here is an all white with pearlescence. Actually, it's got a really neat pearl finish to it. Swirl to it. So all these are gutted too for the nook. And another whale of a good time. It's all white. Awesome. We have a very clear lake at Lake of the Woods. So white does work good. So, and then last but not least, this is sort of a clear with blue specks in it, and of course it's split with the white, so very cool. And again, another whale, because that goes that way, and if it went that way, we could convert the mammal to a fish. So fish, mammal. Why did I just notice this now? But it's probably right. And I think all my swim baits are mammals. Comment below. So, swim baits are mammals because their tails are horizontal. All these years fishing, I never noticed that. You guys probably smarter than me. So, I want you guys to support small businesses and stuff. By the way, I think if you subscribe to Dark Horse Tackle, and there's a 10% coupon down below for the Warrior Weekend box, he's going to be one of the baits in it pretty soon. So congratulations. I'm very proud of him. I'm so proud of the kid. I mean, that's fantastic. So I got fishies, big fishies, and a lot of little itty bitty whales, dolphins, mammals of some kind. So we're going to give them a shot. Actually, I'm getting my Dark Horse Tackle box today, I think. So we'll have to do a challenge. His box against mine. See if he's up for it. So that means I got to put even. See, I can't let him see this yet. But that'll catch something. That'll catch something. See, in his neck of the woods, I got to think, because this bait doesn't work here, but it'll work where he is. Good. Yeah. I'm going to have to put something else in there. I'm still thinking. I'll get this out to him this week. So, so anyway, fishing the fishing the southeast. Go and subscribe to his channel. Hit a like down below. Check out Dark Horse Tackle. It's guys like Brandon. I won't say gals like Brandon, because Brandon's not a gal. So anyway, it's all these small little independent, bait manufacturers here in the United States. Guys that, their passion shows through their work, craftsmanship. And, they put colors together that are tried and true in their lakes. Now, he's in the southeast. I'm in the Pacific Northwest. So we're going to see if there's a little crossover between his over there and mine. And we'll see what happens. So thank you very much for tuning in. You will see me on another video pretty soon, because we're going to do an unboxing for Dark Horse Tackle. And then I'll be back out on the lake tomorrow. So you know where you'll find me, out on the water. Take care, everybody.